Did you know you can earn thousands of dollars every month from YouTube without showing your face or investing any money? Cryptocurrency is a type of money you can't touch, like the coins or notes in your pocket. Instead, it exists only on computers. It has become very popular because it allows people to exchange money quickly over the internet without needing a bank. Many people talk about it, and some have even become very rich using it. And the best part? You could earn up to $10,000 a month if your channel becomes popular. Let's find out how you can do this, step by step. Part 1. Understanding the basics. What exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator doesn't show their face. Instead, they use animations, voiceovers, and on-screen graphics to share information or tell stories. Many of these channels are hugely successful because viewers focus more on the content and the information being shared rather than who is presenting it. Examples of successful faceless channels include popular channels that discuss mysterious stories or explain science and history topics simply and engagingly. Now, why is cryptocurrency a hot topic on YouTube? Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is digital money that people can use to buy things or trade online. It has become extremely popular because it is new and can be very profitable. People are curious about how to use it, invest in it, or understand how it works. That's why videos about cryptocurrency are watched millions of times. Everyone from beginners to experts in finance wants to learn more, making it a fantastic subject for a YouTube channel, especially if you can explain it in simple terms that everyone can understand. Part 2. Setting up your YouTube channel. Let's talk about how you can set up your very own YouTube channel. First, you'll need to go to YouTube and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you can create a new channel right from your account settings. This is where you'll give your channel a name and a little description of what your videos will be about. Choosing a catchy and relevant name for your channel is crucial because it's the first thing people will notice. Think of something that reflects what your videos are about, like Crypto Kids, if you're planning to talk about cryptocurrency in a way that's easy and fun for everyone to understand. After your channel is set up, it's very important to understand YouTube's rules. YouTube has guidelines to make sure that all videos are appropriate and respectful. For example, you can't post videos that have bad words or that copy someone else's work without permission. Knowing these rules will help you avoid getting in trouble and keep your channel running smoothly. So, take some time to read through YouTube's policies on their website. This will help you make great videos that follow the rules and attract lots of viewers. Part 3. Content planning and strategy. Now, let's plan what you'll talk about on your YouTube channel. Finding your niche means picking a special topic that you know a lot about and that other people are interested in. For your crypto channel, you need to choose topics about cryptocurrency that will grab viewers' attention. You can use websites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph to see what's trending in the world of cryptocurrency. These sites show what people are currently interested in, like the latest news on Bitcoin prices or new types of digital money coming out. Once you know what's popular, you can start planning your videos. If you're just starting out, you might want to make videos that explain the basics, like what is Bitcoin or how to invest in cryptocurrencies. These are great for people who are new to the topic. As your viewers get more knowledgeable, or if they already know the basics, you can dive into more complex subjects. Talk about the latest trends in cryptocurrency, or explain advanced concepts that experienced viewers will find valuable. This mix of beginner and advanced content will help you reach a wide audience, keeping both newbies and seasoned pros interested in your channel. Part 4. Creating engaging content without investing. Creating engaging and informative videos doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money. You can make great videos using free resources available online. For editing, there are tools and software that don't cost anything. Websites like Pexels and Canva offer free stock footage and images that you can use to make your videos look professional. These sites are perfect for finding visuals that match the topics you talk about in your videos. When it comes to writing your video scripts, the key is to keep your message clear and interesting. Start by outlining the main points you want to cover, then fill in the details in a way that's easy to understand. Remember, the best scripts tell a story that connects with the audience. If you're unsure where to start, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas and even write parts of your script. Just tell it what you want to talk about, and it will give you a draft that you can tweak and make your own. Using these free tools and resources, you can create quality content that captures your viewers' attention and keeps them coming back for more. Part 5. Growing your channel. Growing your YouTube channel is all about making sure people can find and enjoy your videos. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. SEO for YouTube helps your videos show up when people search for topics like yours. To do this well, you need to use keywords, which are words that people might type into YouTube to find videos like yours. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes it easier for YouTube's search system to understand what your video is about and show it to the right people. Once people find your videos, you want to keep them coming back. Engaging your audience is super important. Always encourage viewers to leave comments, ask questions, or suggest ideas for new videos. Responding to comments and making community posts can help build a connection with your viewers, making them feel part of your channel's community. This interaction not only makes viewers more likely to stay subscribed, but also helps boost your channel's visibility on YouTube. The more active and engaged your audience is, the more likely it is that YouTube will recommend your videos to new viewers, helping your channel grow even more. Part 6. Monetizing your channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel means making money from the videos you upload. YouTube allows creators to earn money through their partner program, but there are specific requirements you must meet. First, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply to the program, which lets you make money from ads that appear on your videos. YouTube places these ads either before your video starts or during the video, and you earn money every time someone views or clicks on these ads. Besides ads, there are other ways to make money from your channel. Affiliate marketing is one option where you promote products in your videos and earn a commission for every purchase made through your link. This is great if you talk about products like cryptocurrency wallets or software. Sponsored content is another way to earn money. Companies pay you to talk about their products or services in your videos. Lastly, you can sell merchandise like t-shirts or hats with your channel's logo or popular sayings from your videos. These strategies give you more control over how you make money and help you earn, even if you're not part of the YouTube Partner Program. If you liked learning about how to start a YouTube channel without any investment, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our fun videos. Remember to click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this every week.